Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota. And guys, before we even get into this video, if you haven't seen the actual listing, the photos of this 370 Dancer, hit pause, go look at the listing, and we're back. Okay, guys, this is a 2025 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. The reason I made that comment is because this boat is done in quantum blue and has a white tower frame when a lot of these have black. It is a lot different than what we normally see, and that is awesome. So unless you're unlucky enough to have missed the boat, you have got to check this thing out. It's got triple Mercury 300s at the rear in white to match everything, and of course, it has that stone gray interior we love. In fact, it has everything. Guys, you've got an electric sunshade over your head. You have all the detail through this sunroof, all that Webestis glass that's absolutely tempered. You have an incredible helm at this boat, twin Simrad NSOs at the dash. This is kind of a little closer to like an airplane than it is a car, to be frank, because you have joystick, automatic tabs, VHF, everything you could ever hope. And guys, this is an option. This boat has full glass on the sides. It's really, really nice when you're trying to stretch your range, do those adventures we're always talking about. That full glass means full weather protection. But for the days when it isn't, or when you don't need it, you have this incredible door, borrowed from Boston Whaler. The whole concept is super solid and awesome. And the front of this boat, what a place to entertain. You've got a spot for a table. You've got teak wood detail, one of the widest triple loungers in the front of this boat. Guys, the 370 Sundancer is full, absolutely full of surprises everywhere you go. Like these little, innocuous little stainless fittings in the deck. That's a huge overhead four-post shade that covers the entire front of this boat. And there's a cabin we haven't even touched. We don't have time. You've got to come check this boat out. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax, Sarasota, Florida. Guys, this is our 2025 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer.